Hola guys, and welcome back to Learn with Sami and Baji. Can you guess what today's video is about?
If you guessed Spain or España, then you are absolutely right. Spain is a country located in the southwest of Europe, and its capital city is Madrid, which you may have heard of, especially if you watch football.
48 million people live in Spain, with 3.3 million of them living in Madrid.
Now, you might think that all Spanish people speak the same language, but there are actually different ways of speaking the Spanish language depending on where you live, and this is called a dialect.
Dialects exist in most countries in the world. In Spain, 74% of people speak Castilian Spanish, 17% speak Catalan, and there's also Galician and Basque too.
Spain is bursting with fun festivals, fantastic foods, and delightful dances. Sammy, did you know my favourite Spanish food is pizza?
I hate to break it to you, but pizza is from Italy, not Spain, Baji. But some scrumptious Spanish foods include paella, which is a special rice dish, gazpacho, a yummy tomato soup, pulpo a la gallega, which is a Galician octopus, and so much more.
Gosh, that sounds so tasty. My mouth is literally watering. I could do with some gazpacho right now. Speaking of tomatoey things, the Tomatina is a huge festival that takes place every year in August in the town of Buñol near Valencia. This festival is the world's biggest food fight as people throw tomatoes at each other.
Well, Baji, I think that's our summer holiday booked. That sounds so fun, if not a little messy. Spain also used to do a lot of bullfighting festivals, but over time in many cities they got banned because of animal cruelty.
Yes, that's true.
Another part of Spanish culture is the flamenco dance.
Yes, in many towns and villages, people dance the flamenco for special celebrations like fiestas or in English, parties.
Not only is Spain vibrant in its festivals and dances, but it is also the home of some of the world's most famous art.
Salvador Dali was a Spanish painter who created imaginative paintings with deep meanings. You might have seen his painting of melting clocks in an art gallery. This painting was called The Persistence of Memory. So cool.
That is really cool. What might be cooler though is his moustache. Any hoops, we could honestly talk about Spain forever. It is such a beautiful country. To end our video, I'm going to teach you guys how to count to 10 in Spanish. Number 1 is uno. Number 2 is dos. Number 3 is tres. Number 4, now this might be a little tricky, cuatro. Number 5 is cinco. Number 6 is seis. Number 7 is siete. Number 8 is ocho. Number 9 is nueve. And number 10, the final one, is diez.
Now, why don't you have a go by yourself? We hope you have learnt something new about Spain.
Please remember to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Adios and cheerio! Which is a special rice dish. 74% of people speak Castilian Spanish. 17% speak Catalan. Hola guys. Hola guys.